Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to do an unboxing and review of a power strip or extension board from the company Kona. So the first thing which I want to tell you guys is when you people are planning to buy a extension cord, there is a specific thing you should take care of. Many of the time people doesn't care about it. So from my experience I learned that it is necessary to have it. So I'll explain about it a bit later in this video. So before that, I'll show you how the products look like from the outside. So this is how the package looks. In the front side, they have given the product image. I have the 4 socket plus 4 switches one. Kona's Smile Power Strip Viva, that's the name. So in the side they have given the features of it. So this is the feature which I want you people to see. Power connection indicator to indicate wiring faults. So I'll show you guys more about it later. So on the other side same thing, and here I have this model. Here it is written a bit more, but in online and local shop you can get it for 100 rupees or 150 rupees cheaper. And they have given an extra fuse inside. Fuse, so it comes with a fuse. So what is the use of it is, if you are using any appliances and there is a short circuit or something, the fuse will blow. If the short circuit continues, it can catch on fire. So that's why it's always necessary to have a fuse. Okay, so now without wasting any more time, let's open the product and see. This is how the product looks like. So I'll just remove it from the cover. So they have given an so this is how the products look like from the front side. So this is how the product looks from the front side. You can see that there are 4 sockets with individual switches, and the switch looks really cool actually and easy to use. So this is off position and this is on position. So when you switch on the socket, there will be indicators. Red LED indicators will be there, which will turn on, showing that which is on or off. And the back side they have given 2 mounts for screw, and there is a Kona brand sticker is there. And in the front you can see that this is the indicator, fault indicators. So this is one of the most important thing you should take care while buying a extension board. Many of the times what we do is we will be like, we just need a extension cord, doesn't matter if it's cheap, and we'll always go for the cheaper one. The problem with the cheaper one is, first of all, the cable quality which they are using will be the most like thin one. Whenever it's thin wire, that means resistance is there. Resistance is more means heat will increase. Heat will increase means it will cause fire. So most of the time we'll go for it, but don't go for it. Just for the investment will be cheap, but once you start using it, that time it can cause fire or it can ruin your electronics. Then the damage will be more, and for that time you have to spend more money. So better to invest in a better extension board in the starting itself. So I'll explain a bit about the fault indicator. So the fault indicator, if you see, there are 3 LEDs. One is red, this is yellow, and there is green one. So how to read it is like, when you get connected, if it's all okay, the all phase, neutral and ground, or phase can be also called as this also, live wire also. So when it's all okay means when the neutral, ground and live wire can also be called as phase. So when all 3 is normal, there you can see the LEDs like this, all okay, means red and green will be on. When there is no ground, you can see there won't be the green one, only red one will be there. When neutral is open, then it will be like the yellow and green will be turned on, but the red will be off. when it is reversed. So mainly, like uh, example, when the ground, example, this kind of a plug is there, so we can't reverse it. But there are many times the plug will be like this. So if it is reversed, then you will get an off, because in this once you press it doesn't matter for it. But the thing is, the other extension cord or the other plug, the main power supply which people are using, in that the connection is reversed means it can be noticed here from the post, from where which the electric current is coming. If it is ulta or reverse, then you'll be seen as line and neutral reverse. And when all three is there, line and neutral reverse, and neutral is open. So that is that. And when the fuse is blown, nothing will be there, I guess, and this red, just the red indicator will be on. So that's how you can read it. So now, without wasting any more time, I'll just turn it on and show you guys. And now I will switch it on. See, now once I switch it on, you can see that in my buildings all the wiring is okay. So you can see that the red and green is turned on, so which means that my connection is normal. And you can see, I told you, when we turn it on and turn it off, you can see the indicator will light up, showing you that which socket is turned on. So I can't show you guys much in this because in my building there is no much fault. But I'll tell you one thing, why I made this video is, before a month ago, there was some connection repair was happening in a post near me, from where the electricity comes. So I think the people who came for repair, they somehow disconnected the ground from the house actually. So the main problem, if the ground is not working, is when you are using heavy most metallic body appliances, okay, like a fridge, grinder or something, it will always be bit of short circuit or something happens. This metallic body, it will be there in the body of the appliance, mostly metallic appliances. So when the ground is there, all this sparks or whatever this electricity is generated will be taken down through the ground and will go to the ground. So if it is not there, it is harmful for the appliance also. And any short circuit is there, you touch the metal body of the appliance, you will get shocked. So that day I was just saying, and I connect my fridge to it, and so from past 2 days what happened was, I was just touching the fridge and you can get the spark, not spark, I can get the feeling of the electricity. So then I checked this indicator, then in that I can see that the ground was open. So after that I called these people from this electricity, the electrician, and then when he came and checked, he told that yeah, the ground somehow it got disconnected. So if I wouldn't have had this indicators, I would have never known. I'll be like, okay, what is there? Maybe some problem is there. But the thing is, in the long term, it will damage the appliance, and you have to spend more, and you will repair it and come again will connect to the same socket, again it will get damaged. So that is one of the main help it has done to me, and it saved me from a disaster. So I hope I hope you guys will make sure when you buy a extension cord, this indicators would be there. Another thing is, make sure there is a fuse also. So fuse is there, you cannot, like whenever a short circuit happens in an appliance, the fuse will blow, so it won't allow more electricity to go to that appliance and cause more short circuit. When most of the short circuit is there, it can cause a fire also later. So, and whenever a fuse is blown, they have even given an extra fuse also for you. You can just remove it and you can fix the new fuse. For that, I might be making a new video for you guys to show that how to remove and fix the fuse. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys like the video, and I think I have shared valuable information which will help you guys in the future and help your decision while buying an extension board. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys like the video. Any doubt you will have about the product or whatever I told now, you can comment down the below, and I'll try to reply to you guys as soon as possible. So that's it, guys. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Take care.